So this is new now. Out with the Elite VIP members and in with the Billiards Club. Y'all, I want to go ahead and introduce to y'all the new Eccentech Billiards Club channel memberships. So I'm launching a new channel membership, and I'll explain later what happened with the whole Elite VIP members thing, but basically it's the same premise. So you sign up for these memberships to get more out of the channel than you usually would, on top of like supporting the channel so I can reinvest more into the channel. And on top of that, you get more perks this time around. So when you watch this channel, I'm pretty sure that you noticed that I made two things very prevalent around here. The fact that I live in Wisconsin, and the fact that I record on the pool table. And I don't think y'all would like being called the Cheesehead Crew, so I think we passed the bullet with that. So I don't know if y'all remember this or not if you've been here for a minute, but Elite VIP Members was the old channel membership that I just now discontinued. And I'm not gonna lie, man, it was entirely my fault, but the prices was high as hell. And that was, like I said, that was completely my fault. And the crazy part about this is that y'all still signed up for it, which I really appreciate. But this gonna be big news, because Elite VIP members, I can't do this shit, man. I gotta take this off. The whole cheese hat was throwing off my game, but Elite VIP members used to start off at $5, and I think it went up to 100 or something like that. But now, I'm going ahead and bringing it down to $1.99 up to $10 if you want to. So now you can get your foot in the door spending $1.99 instead of $5, which is a lot more affordable than I know it used to be, because I should have done that in the beginning. But yeah, like I was saying with the whole pool table thing, like usually I record my pool table, and like that's where the whole theme of this all came from, the whole billiards thing and all that. Like that's basically my channel brand at this point. But yeah, there's gonna be 3 tiers to this whole thing. So for $1.99, you can get stripes, for $4.99, you can get solids, and for $9.99, you can get the whole rack. And the benefits is gonna depend on which tier you go ahead and pick, but for everybody, you're gonna get things like an end of a video channel membership shout out. But you can also get things like club members only videos, club members only live streams, club members only comments for live streams. So all that type of stuff you can check out. It's probably gonna vary a lot, so I don't wanna dive too much into it in this video, but you can go ahead and check it out by clicking that join button or just looking here on the screen. Of course, as always, you don't have to join, it's optional, but I do appreciate when you do join because it does help the channel out, like for real, like more than you might think. That's why I lowered it down to $1.99 a month, because you will be surprised how far that $1.99 a month could go. But with that being said, why not become a club member? It's an exclusive club, so don't miss out. I'll see y'all inside. And not only do I appreciate you for watching, but I just appreciate y'all overall, man. Like whether you're joining or not, it's just like, I can't really thank y'all enough just for looking out for me, just being here with me, for real. I said this over and over again, man, but it's so cool to be able to do this, man. And I couldn't do it without y'all, man. So thank you. And that's just from the bottom of my heart, man. Thank you, for real. It just feels so surreal just sitting here at the table, talking from behind the camera and just shooting my shit. I'm just saying. But I'm gonna get up with y'all later, man. Boom! Peace.